Okay, look what I'm going to do here. I'm going to show you what's happening. See these are two on my double track here. I got a BNSF and Santa Fe. Now they're both at the same spot, but watch. One goes faster than the other. Let's see. See? BNSF is already pulling out in front. And look at how slow Santa Fe's going. So you electrical people out there, give me some kind of a clue why that's happening. Look, that guy's way over there. And look at him, way back there. And the switches work, see? But that guy is so slow. And look what I did. I made like a little tower there for my wires. And it seems to keep them out of the way pretty well. Anyway, here comes his slowpoke. Oh, look. That guy's stuck. I wonder why. Oh, there it goes. Whoops. I'll have to check that out.